Studio 7, as the name implies, has 7 main concentrations. The first and foremost, architecture and interior design. We had also dealt a lot with urban design, project management, landscape architecture, environmental planning, and infrastructure planning. We are specialized in SEZ and township planning. We are well versed with SEZ Act 2006. Some of the major projects like Swarnabhumi, JSW townships are worth mentioning. Our project portfolio ranges from residential, commercial, corporate interiors and town planning, landscape architecture, project management, to name a few. We have also done some of the outstanding industrial buildings on a PEB format. We follow a stringent design process, right from listing out of proper client brief, preparing circulation charts, proximity charts, and a well-narrated design concept that could be easily interpreted by a non-technical client. Upon sign-off of concept design, we will migrate to scheme design. And on scheme design development, here is where we talk about authority compliances, Vastu compliances if needed, and other ergonomics and anthropometrics. And upon sign-off of scheme design, we just quickly move to construction drawings and good for construction drawing. We have a very strong team of professionals. They are young and dynamic. Most of them are postgraduates from universities of international repute, like IITs, University of Manchester, Glasgow University, National University of Singapore, or a few of the good universities worth mentioning.
At Studio 7, we have an open house concept wherein every architect is given a chance to design and conceptualize, which brings in the diversity and uniqueness of the designs we produce. Although being a corporate design consultancy, due to its horizontal organizational structure, the involvement of team leaders, top management and the directors is enhanced at the right time for the project. Also, we are encouraged to be the single point of contact for the projects which we handle, thereby increasing the efficiency of client management services.
We are also venturing into first of its kind project like automated multi-stack car parking facility in collaboration with South Korea and Indian engineers. Currently, we are designing a 300 car parking facility for Apollo Hospitals at Greens Road, Chennai. We are also serving public sector clients like Indian Railways, BHEL and ONGC on various projects ranging from corporate fit-outs to industrial locomotive sheds with high-end automation and green building features.
Our studio is spread across 4,000 square feet of column-less space. This accommodates about 40 staffs, which includes architects, drafting assistants, and 3D visualizers. Drafting assistants are involved in the project right from the conceptualization stage. They play a vital role in preparing approval drawings and detailed working drawings. Our centralized file management system prevents any possible data mismanagement and backs up all the project files on a weekly basis. Our 3D visualizers, on the other hand, are well capable of shaping the 2D concepts into a much more realistic 3D forms. They are well versed with the latest trends in animation industry and undertake all possible measures to get an absolutely close to reality 3D renderings. Unlike most other architecture firms, we do not outsource any 3D rendition works. This ensures maximum safety for your intellectual property and confidential information. Also, having an in-house visualization team helps us to undertake any number of design iterations without charging any extra professional fees to our clients.
We use state-of-the-art technology, be it in web-based meeting or video conferencing, especially when we are dealing with overseas clients and consultants. We use a well-sophisticated internet system where we compute our man-hours spent for each project in various categorical formats, which helps us to have a great control over the resource management. Moreover, on the procurement part, we are well connected with overseas suppliers across the globe, especially from China, Singapore, Dubai and Korea.
We partner with our clients right from the preparation of the project brief, imparting knowledge on the relevant NOCs required for the project, then to the core business of design consultancy, and thereafter identifying the right stakeholders, the best of the vendors, suppliers and contractors. On the due process, we increase the value for their money, we optimize the time consumed for the project and ensure the project of great quality and workmanship. Some of our projects are done in turnkey basis as well. We also partly extend our consultancy services to project management and construction management if required. Every business strives to keep up with the changing times. Our core areas of design meet that kind of requirement with the young, ambitious and fresh team of professionals. The lead architects with us, who have been trained under the various prestigious Indian and European firms, help the young design team in understanding how to pursue architecture both as an art and as a business.
For each and every project, Studio 7 deploys a dedicated project team. The project team comprises of senior architect, junior architects, drafting assistant and a 3D visualizer. This provides a holistic solution and a dedicated team for any assigned project in particular. We are constantly updated with the latest in the industry. Vendors and suppliers knock at our doors often with latest market updates. We listen to them keenly and get ourselves updated with the latest technology in our projects. We maintain an organized material library with which our clients can select a suitable material palette for their projects. Any kind of built infrastructure that you may want to develop, we offer you an end-to-end complete professional guidance. We have a 50-member professional team who are specialized and well experienced in the fields of architecture and its allied services like interior design, construction management, landscape design, environmental planning, and liaising for authority approvals. We have handled projects that costs from $500,000 to $50 million. We ensure the best optimized time management that needs to go into every stage of the project. We do ensure the best stakeholders and manage the smooth progress of construction process.